Welcome to TBK Career Point. So here is an internship opportunity for data science students from the Seagate company. So location which is Pune. So let us go to organization. Our organization specializes in global data analytics and provides comprehensive solutions for big data, generative AI, and ML operations frameworks and deployments. So we are a proactive, solution-focused, and a collaborative team with partners with the various business groups across the organization to deliver end-to-end solutions. Role వచ్చేసి assist with implementing end-to-end ML pipelines and deliver scalable production machine learning services. So work on building accelerators and ML frameworks. అది క్లియర్గా ఇచ్చారు. సో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్ ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్ టూల్స్ లైక్ సైకెట్ లెర్న్, టెన్సర్ఫ్లో, పైటార్చ్ ఉండాలి. So at least experience in one of the major programming languages, Python, Scala, Java, and SQL కూడా ఐడియా ఉండాలి. సో ఇది interested students can apply for it and share to your friends also and like the video. So the link is provided in the description box.